And our thing is very much clear, except Bodoland, we are not going to accept.
Bodoland is the only thing that you're going to accept?
Yes.
And if Bodoland is not given to you?
There will be, it is a struggle.
For how long?
Continuously, till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to manage.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. No. We don't have
So
society.
your fight will be within the Constitution of India and within the
Yes,
Constitution of
definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of Article 2, 3 and 4 of Indian Constitution. The basic truth is that this is some government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalk out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland.